Properties of determinants. Now discussing some properties of determinants. First one is, if each element of row or each element of column, if each element of row of a square matrix is 0 or each element of column of a square matrix is also 0, then A3, B3, C3, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. If each element of row or each element of column is 0, then the determinant of that matrix is 0. Then the determinant of that matrix is 0. Second one, if two rows or columns of a square matrix are interchanged, that means let us take A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Here we interchange R1 and R2, which is equal to plus minus. Here, if two rows are interchanged of a square matrix, then the determinant of the sign of determinant is changes. Here R1 interchanging R2. This is the notation for this. R1 interchanging R2. Suppose if it is plus, it becomes minus. Now second row is in first row. This A2, B2, C2. Now here A1, B1, C1, A3, B3, C3. Also, if two columns are interchanged, means A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. If two columns are interchanged, then the sign of determinant changes. Here we have to interchange C1 and C2. First two columns, this is the notation, C1 interchanging C2. Now second column is in first column, A2, B2, C2, A1, B1, C1. Remaining column is same, A3, B3, C3. If two rows or two columns, or two columns of a square matrix are interchanged, then sign of determinant changes. Now third one is, if two rows of a square matrix are identical means equal, A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1, A3, B3, C3. So here first two rows are equal, or two columns. If two columns are equal, this A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1, A3, B3, C3. If two rows are equal or two columns are equal, then determinant of that matrix is also 0. Or if two rows are equal or two columns are equal, then the determinant of that matrix is 0. What is? Fourth one is, if each element in a row or column, if each element in a row or column is sum of two numbers, that means A1 plus X1, B1, C1, A2 plus X2, B2, C2, A3 plus X3, B3, C3. Then that determinant can be expressed as sum of determinant of two matrices. Means A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, A3, B3, C3. Here the symbol is middle plus split into two matrices x1 b1 c1, x1 b1 c1, x2 b2 c2, x2 b2 c2, x3 b3 c3, x3 b3 c3. This row first column, sum of two numbers here, a1 plus x1, a2 plus x2, a3 plus x3. Suppose if you take in rows, here a1 plus x1, b1, sorry, a1, a2 plus x2, a3 plus x3. Remaining rows are same, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. This also can be written as sum of two matrices. It is a1, a2, a3, a1, a2, a3. Remaining two rows are same, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Also here plus x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3. Remaining two rows are same, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now fifth property is determinant of A into B. That means product of two matrices, which is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Determinant of A into determinant of B. Next heading is notation. Now we are discussing some notations. Suppose R1 interchanging R2 or C1 interchanging C2. That means interchanging R1 and R2 or interchanging C1 and C2. Suppose R1 tends to KR1. That means first row is multiplied with K. First row is multiplied with K in R1. Third one is suppose C1 tends to KC1. C1 tends to KC1. C1 to KC1. First column is multiplied with K in first column. Suppose fourth one is R1 tends to R1 plus KR2. R1 plus KR2. That means second row is multiplied with K and then add with first row. Second row is multiplied by K and then add with R1 in first row. These are the some notations. These are notations here. Now let us take one example on determinants. Example on determinant. Show that determinant of 1a square, 1b square, 1c square, 1a square, 1b square, 1c square, which is equal to a minus b of b minus c of c minus a. A minus b, b minus c, c minus a. We take LHS, we have to prove RHS. Now the solution is determinant of 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. Here we have to prove a minus b of b minus c of c minus a. First row same, 1a square. Here R2 interchanging, or R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 interchanging R2 minus R3. That becomes 1 minus 1, 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Second row becomes 1 minus 1, 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Again R3 from R3 minus R1. R3 from R3 minus R1. First one R2 minus R3. Her R2 is 1b b square. R3 is 1c c square. We have to subtract here. For minus 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 1 minus 1, 0, b minus c, b square minus c square. Now second row becomes 0, b minus c, b square minus c square, b square minus c square. Next third row. From third row from R3 minus R1. Here R3 is 1c c square minus R1. R1 is nothing but first row, second row, third row. R1 is 1a square. R3 minus R1. Take minus minus minus. Again 1 minus 1, 0. C minus a. C square minus a square. Now third row becomes 0. C minus a. C square minus a square. Which is equal to first row is same, 1a square, 0 b minus c. Here b square minus c square in the form of a square minus c square. A square minus b square formula is a minus b of a plus b. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b of a plus b. Now it can be written as b minus c of b plus c. B minus c of b plus c. Now third row 0, c minus a. Again here also can be written as c minus a of c plus a. C minus a of c plus a, which is equal to first row is same. Now here what is the common here? B minus c. B minus c is common from second row. B minus c as common. Here c minus a is common from third row. Here I am taking c minus a as common. Determinant of first row is same, 1a square, 0 b minus c as common. Multiply, it will be 1. Next b minus c common, then remaining is b plus c. Third row 0, 1, c minus c is common here, then remaining value is c plus a. C plus a, which is equal to b minus c of c minus a into, here we have to find a determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. First row plus minus plus 1a square, 0 1 b plus c, 0 1 b plus c, 0 1 c plus a, 0 1 c plus a, which is equal to b minus c of c minus a of first row 1 into cofactor of 1. 1 into first row first element is 1. 1 into cofactor of 1 is 1 b plus c, 1 c plus a. 1 into cofactor of 1 minus, that plus minus plus minus a of cofactor of a, 0 into c plus a 0, 0 into b plus c 0, plus a square of cofactor of a square, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, it becomes 0, which is equal to B minus C of C minus A into 1 into determinant of ABCD, AD minus BC. So C plus A minus of B plus C becomes minus B minus C here, which is equal to B minus C, C minus A into plus C minus C will get cancel, A minus B, which is equal to, I am taking in order here, A minus B, then B minus C of C minus A, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. It's important for 7 marks. Long answer type question.